Hey there, and welcome back to 99 Reviews, where we break down the smartest AI tools that help you create stunning content faster than ever. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a full workflow, from generating an image using Leonardo.AI, refining your prompts with ChatGPT, animating that image into a video with Hailuo.ai, adding music from Udio, and finally combining everything in Clipchamp. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to make powerful AI-generated videos for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or even just for fun. Grab your notebook. Let's get started. First, we'll begin by visiting Leonardo.AI, a fantastic platform for AI-generated art. Once you're logged in, go ahead and enter a simple prompt to get your first result. For example, try something. Hit Generate, and Leonardo will give you a decent base image, but we're going for something truly cinematic. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Open ChatGPT and paste the same prompt, but ask it to enhance it. Say something like, "Can you turn this into a professional image generation prompt for Leonardo.AI?" ChatGPT will return something much more detailed, probably with lighting, mood, color palette, and perspective built in. Copy that refined prompt, head back to Leonardo, and run it again. You'll notice the improvement immediately. The image will feel more artistic, more alive, and much more aligned with an anime or cinematic style. Once you're happy with the image, download it to your device. We'll use this as the visual base for the entire project. With it, it's time to bring your image to life. Open a new tab and go to Hailuo.ai. If you haven't already, create a free account. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, upload the image we just created. Hailuo will process it and convert it into a moving scene, giving it a sense of depth, motion, and style. This part is really exciting. You can experiment with motion styles, zoom-ins, pans, and subtle particle effects. It might take a few seconds to render, depending on the server load, but once it's done, you'll have a gorgeous, animated clip from a single image. Preview the video, and when you're satisfied, click Download. That's your base animation, ready for music. Batua Radio. Let's move on to the sound. Head over to Udio.com, another fantastic AI platform. This one's focused on generating music. After signing in, look for the text box where you can describe the mood or theme you want. But here's the trick. Just like we did with the image, we'll use ChatGPT again. Ask it something like, "Give me a music prompt for a cinematic background track with emotional undertones for an AI-generated video." ChatGPT will give you a rich, descriptive prompt, something along the lines of, and paste it into Udio. Click Generate, and in seconds you'll have an original, royalty-free track perfect for your video. When it's ready, hit Download. You now have the visual and the audio. Let's bring it all together. To day one of Cracked, to finish everything off, go to Clipchamp.com, a super easy, free browser-based video editor by Microsoft. Create a new project and upload both your video file from Hailuo.ai and your music file from Udio. Once imported, drag the video to the timeline and then drag the music file right underneath it. Make sure the audio matches the video length. If it's longer, you can trim the music. If it's too short, consider looping it or fading it out at the end. Add finishing touches like getting into the same from a centers, fading in and out. When you're happy with how it looks and sounds, click Export and choose High Resolution, at least 1080p. Do see the video be better, the nieces in the massive, and Raider in 1635. Boom, your AI-powered cinematic video is ready to share. And that's the full process, from concept to cinematic content, using just a few incredible AI tools. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe to 99 Reviews, and let me know in the comments what kind of AI tools or workflows you want to see next. Until then, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.